Talofa, talofa lava. I am delighted that our Samoan heritage is being valued and highlighted in the state of Washington. I know we have a wonderful community of our Samoan people there and throughout the West Coast. Although I'm speaking to you from Washington, D.C., I'm truly honored and humbled to share this day, and I'm thinking of you as you celebrate. All of us as Samoans are blessed with an ancient and rich culture. Our traditions and values are deeply part of our people. It's a special blessing that our young people often carry forward the very best of our Samoa from generation to generation, even if they didn't grow up in the islands. I know you will celebrate many elements of our beautiful Samoan culture, expressed in many ways, but the most important part is always about people. People coming together, caring for others, sharing our various strengths and what ties us together. God bless you all as you carry that forward. Psalm 16, verse 6 says, "The boundary lines have fallen for me in pleasant places. Surely I have a delightful inheritance." On this Samoa Cultural Day, may you feel closer to our beautiful islands and leave with renewed appreciation for our heritage. Have a wonderful time. God bless the United States and our Samoan people everywhere. Soifua maia manuia.